Hi Doonistas, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick unboxing, and this is of an item that kind of goes along with a item that I just recently unboxed. So I am so excited to be able to add this piece to my collection. So if you have not checked out that video of my last unboxing, then I will leave a link below so you can check out the item I picked up as well as my first impressions. So anyway guys, if you are interested in seeing what is in the box, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So first, let me share with you the item that I decided to carry today, and it is my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather East-West Chelsea shopper in the color black. So today is Matchy Matchy Monday in my Facebook group, the Dooney Den. So if you have not joined the group, I will leave a link below if you want to join in on all the fun and tons of beautiful bags. So anyway, let me just quickly share with you some of the items that I matched up with this beautiful bag. The first item is my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather large zip around wallet in the color black, my medium Florentine leather cosmetics case in the color black, my pebbled leather coin case in the color black, and lastly, my large prescription sunglass case. So now let's get on to the unboxing because I am so excited to be able to add this piece to my collection. Okay, so here we go. It came in a nice sized box. And again, I am so excited to add this piece to my collection. I don't know, I have been on a type of kick lately. Only with accessories though, not necessarily any bags. So let's see, she has it packaged really nicely. So let's see. Alright, so here we go guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. When I saw this piece pop up, I jumped on it immediately. I reached out to one of my girls in my Facebook group just to authenticate it, just to make sure, and she was like, you have a treasure. So here's my packing slip. Let me just take that out. And okay, here. So here is how she has it nice and wrapped. Oh wow. This is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so lots of nice bubble wrap. So I am excited. All right, so I'm just gonna pull it out here. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh wow. Okay, so here's how she has it all nice and wrapped up. And let's go. And here is a little bit of a hint I have on my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather bracelet in the color red. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. This is a Dooney Bourke all-weather leather cosmetics case in the color red. So here it is. She has it nice and packaged really well. And again, I am not a vintage person, so I am going to have this authenticated and send more photos to my Dooney Bourke vintage experts. So it does have a tag that says made in China. Oh wow, you guys, look how beautiful this is, and it is in perfect tip-top shape. But my concern when I first initially purchased this item was the zipper pull. I am not sure, guys. Maybe I need to stay away from vintage. I am not sure. But again, I'm going to have one of my vintage Dooney girls fully inspect this just to make sure that it is authentic. Here is the inside. The inside feels okay. There's the side. Very good condition. So this I have a question about this, the zipper here. I'm not sure, you guys, but it is an absolutely beautiful piece. Absolutely beautiful. But again, this is the Dooney Bourke all-weather leather cosmetic pouch in the color red. And she mentioned that the red is very, very rare to come across, so I am excited. Anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.